Hey guys, it's Toys and Play. Today we are going to be showing you the Sylvanian family sweet store with the help of our little friend Hedgehog. So let's start.
Hey guys, it's Hedgehog and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the sweet store. Over here you can see there are 3 cupcakes. We have one that says happy birthday, one with pink frosting, and one with orange frosting. And on this side we have these waffles that have cream and fruit inside. This one has blueberries and this one has strawberries. Over onto this side we have some cookies. We have a rabbit one, a house one, a present, then we have a little cupcake one, and then a car. And then right at the back we have some lollipops. We have a red one, and then an orange one there, and a green one right there. And at the back right over there we have little mini candy jars.
So this is the inside of the sweet shop. We've got a little picture there. One there. So this is this bit. And this is the top bit. It's a really nice design. They also gave this because light goes in. Because this is very small, it can get a bit dark, so obviously they left a few holes so then light comes in. And we'll show you the back as well. And this is the back of the store. So guys, we also bought another little addition set with this. We'll be showing you that as well. So this is the little addition set we got. It's a table, like a picnic table with food on it, and we just thought it goes really nicely with the sweet store. So yeah.
First we have 3 little flowery chairs. One is pink, yellow and blue. And then we also have 2 plates, they're the same. And then 2 forks and 2 little cups. In this bowl we have, in this one we have little teeny biscuits so that they can eat. And then in this one we have mini sweets and a little lollipop. And then in the middle we have a cake, like a chocolate cake. And then you could spin it around to get, if you finish this part, you could just get another one if you spin it.
So, yeah.
La 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 la. Oh, hi Hedgehog. Hi Freya, what would you like today? Everything looks so good, but I think I want a waffle with cream and strawberries and a cookie with a bunny cookie. Coming right up. Okay. Just going to sit in this seat. Wait for my food. Okay, so we need the waffle and a bunny cookie. Your order is That was the best food ever. Wait, thanks. How much was it? £3. Here you go. Thank you. Bye.
So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and comment, and also Just a little disclaimer, if you play with this at home, please be careful as there are lots of small pieces, and if you have younger siblings, they may choke on it. So yeah, anyways, please like and comment and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.